Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and today we want to look at uh, an important aspect of making money online. In fact, the simplest and the best way to make money online, which is affiliate marketing. So we're discussing affiliate marketing, and this is a beginner course. Those who are experienced can still uh watch it, but if you are a beginner, or you just want to go into it, you want to learn, and if you have been finding it very difficult to make money online, you don't understand how to go about it, then this video is for you. So we want to look at the four wheels of affiliate marketing, and by wheels I mean we want to look at the four legs of affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing has got a lot of, you need to understand affiliate marketing because before you can make any money on affiliate marketing. A lot of people just feel affiliate marketing and they jump into it, and a lot of so-called gurus teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing without teaching them the nitty-gritty of it. So we want to start from the beginning. It's something like a foundation. This is the foundation, and we are going to be looking at the four wheels of affiliate marketing. By wheels, I mean the four legs of affiliate marketing. And you know what I mean by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote another person's product for an agreed commission. You are not the one that created the product. Somebody else must have created the product. The product might be physical, it might be digital. But in most cases online, people concentrate so much on the digital, but the physical is also there. You can promote both physical product and digital product, and you make your own commission. So what you earn when you promote other people's commission, other people's product, is commission. You are not the one creating the product now. Somebody must have created the product, and you just be the one that will promote. And when you promote, you collect an agreed commission, and the commission might be between 15%, 20%, 25%, 50%, 75%. And don't forget, in affiliate marketing, it can be done in any niche. That means in any industry. It can be in estate industry, it can be in e-commerce, it can be books, it can be on any discipline, any area. It can be physical product, like when you go to all these e-commerce site, then you can just earn affiliates. Then you can go to digital e-commerce site too, then you work as an affiliate and you make a lot of money. So without further ado, let us get into it. But before we go, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are new to this channel, consider subscribing now. Just hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Now let's get into it. The four wheels of affiliate marketing. Number one, we have the merchant. Number two, we have the affiliate. Then number three, we have the affiliate gateways or the platforms. Then number four, we have the customer or our client or our buyers. So let's look at them one after the other. The merchant. The merchant is the person who has created a product or who has a product to sell. This is the person that created the product and he has the product to sell, or it might be a physical product that he has that he wants to sell. These people, they are referred to as the merchant. Then the second one, which is the affiliate, that is where you are concerned, where we are concerned. The merchant created the product. We, the affiliate, in affiliate marketing, we help promote those products. Once we help promote that product and we get sales, then we earn our commission. If the product is like $100, if the commission is 50%, once you are able to make a sale, you earn yourself a $50 commission, and so on and so forth. Then the affiliate gateway. Who are the affiliate gateway? The affiliate gateway or the affiliate platform are those companies that have designed a system, a platform, a gateway for you, so that you will be able to work. they link you, and they link the affiliates and the merchant. They make it possible for the affiliate to find relevant products to promote, and they make it easy for the merchant to get affiliates to promote their product. So they are like a middleman. They bring the merchant and the affiliates together, and they also earn a percentage of the amount, because they will have to maintain their website, all their marketing and the rest, because they do a lot of marketing, they promote the website and the rest. Then the last part in this wheel, or the last leg of this wheel, is the customer, the buyers. Without the buyers, then the affiliate cannot do anything, the merchant cannot do anything, then the gateway cannot do anything. So the buyers make the affiliate marketing business to go on smoothly, because once they show interest in the product, they buy, you make you the affiliate gets commission, the merchant gets his money, the gateway, the affiliate gateway also gets their own percentage. So it's a win-win. Everything goes round. So it's a wheel. That's why I say it's a four wheel, it's a four leg. Everything goes together. So the role of affiliate in this sense is simple. Like I said, all you need to do is just drive traffic to the merchant's product. Make sure you drive traffic to the merchant. How do you drive? There are so many ways to drive traffic. You can drive both free and paid traffic. You can use the social media, you can use the traditional method, you can use so many methods to just make sure that a lot of people get a lot of eyeballs to the affiliate, the merchant website. And once they make a purchase, then you earn a commission. Then again, you, as an affiliate, you are making sure you want to make sure that you convert the traffic. A lot of people that comes to the page, you convert them to prospect, to the prospect, you convert them to buyers, so that when they buy, you make money. You know, traffic is like the lifeblood of any business, especially online business. So the more traffic you have, either paid or free, the more commission that will come to your pocket. So it's as simple as that. But don't forget, this is just the introductory. I just want to expose you to what affiliate marketing is. In our subsequent video, I will be able to tell you exactly what to do, how to get that money from affiliate marketing. Until I come your way again, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing now. Make sure you share, you press the notification bell, and press the like button, and share it to so many of your friends and your colleagues and people on your contact. Until I come your way again, remain financially intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together.